This is a $400 microphone, the Shure SM7B. And this is a $30 Fi-Fi microphone. Today, I'm gonna be showing you guys how you just don't need the most expensive equipment to go out and get started streaming. And if after this video, you looking to purchase the Fi-Fi microphone, link in the description, go and get you that joint for a 30 piece and get started streaming. Let's get it. So this is the Fi-Fi mic. Let's open this joint up. Fi-Fi technology. All we do is hook it to the computer. Ain't nothing to install. Bet. They give us a little stand too. W mans. There's a little stand, John. Okay, here go the mic. Nicely housed, you feel me? Hold on. Well, they got the volume joint on the front of it. W. You see the mic in there. Nice, nice, nice. Yeah, fit right on. Yes, sir. Hey, $30 for this mic. Link it in the description. You can sit it right there. You know what I'm saying? You like this. We're going to see what's to this. But can you hook headphones to it? No? Okay, you can't hook headphones directly to it, but I mean, that's cool. Let's hook this joint in and see what's to it. Yo, yo, yo. 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 Yo, yo. Oh, my God. This mic sounds amazing. Hold on. We can get rid of that hissing. All we got to do is put a noise gate on it. Put a noise gate on it, we good. It's picking up everything too. Filter, noise gate, detected NDI. No, noise gate. Boom. Yo, yo, yo. Yo. Yo, yo. And I'm far from the microphone right now. Very far. You could put how much of the mic you want to hear so it gets louder and louder. Only got it up a little bit right now. See it that much. I can lift it up and it goes up even louder. Crazy how loud it can get. Take it down some. So I'm gonna put it right here. Seems to be good. Sit at my desk. I can let you guys see it like this. Yo, yo, yo. Let's go. Chat, chat, chat. Turn me up. Hold on, I'm gonna pick a different noise gate. Matter of fact, no. I got the noise gate in there. Now, noise suppression. Boom. That should get rid of a lot of the background. Yo. Yo, yo. Yo, yo, yo. Let's go. Chat, turn me up. Chat. Chat, chat, chat. That is crazy. How good this mic sound? It's crazy. So I got the Shure stays like right here. Like that's the Shure. When I be talking, it's right there. This mic is like twice as far away. Picking me up like crazy. Sounds amazing. I also got my settings on it, but mic sounds really good. Yeah, I can make the suppression be higher if need be, or a different type of suppression like this one. Or the mic is nowhere near me right now. That's the crazy part. It's like not really near me at all. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. The Wild Wild West. Yo, yo, yo. That sounds crazy. So let's put the mic right in front of me and I sound just like this. If the mic was right in front of me just like the SM7, this is how I would sound. And put it back on this one. Yo, yo, yo. Let's go. Chat, turn me up. Okay, so let's see if you can hear the difference. Right now, I'm on that microphone. So yeah, this is the Fi-Fi. This is the Fi-Fi. Right. This is the Fi-Fi. This is the Fi-Fi. Hold on, I gotta turn it down a little bit so it could be equal, I guess. This is the Fi-Fi. This is the Fi-Fi. This is the SM7. This is the SM7. Now, if somebody would have told me this sound this good, bro, what? I mean, SM7. It's a different kind of voice. I prefer it, but you mean to tell me that I can get great sound and microphone for $30? I can get a microphone that sounds this good, bro. Crazy. You could change how loud this microphone is. So if I turn it all the way down right now, but as I turn it up, you will hear me get louder and louder and louder. This thing gets extremely loud. You 100% are gonna need a noise gate and some and a noise suppression on it because it's picking up everything. But if you got a quiet room, this is gonna sound amazing. As you can see where I have the microphone for me, That's why I have the microphone for me, and I don't even really need it to be this close up. Like, this is how close my Shure SM7B is when I have it, but it could be this far away and still sound really good. If not, then you can turn it up a little bit and make it sound good for you. So yeah, this is the microphone. I set it up, and I will be making a video soon about my actual audio settings and how I get, you know what I'm saying, my microphones to sound like this. So this microphone is just $30, and as you can hear, it has really good quality, especially for its price. When we're talking about bang for buck, this microphone delivers in all aspects. I would 100% recommend it, especially since I know most people will not have as much going on in the background as me. I got lawnmowers, I got fans, I got a AC unit. It's everything going on. If you're talking about an environment that is well kept sound wise, this microphone is going to deliver in all aspects. And like I said, I will have a settings video coming for you guys later on to really, you know what I'm saying, let you guys know how I get my microphones regardless of what it is to sound the way that they do. And when we talking about bang for buck, the Fi-Fi microphone might take it, because I have a Blue Yeti and I also have a Wave 3. Both of those microphones are going to price you to $100 to a little bit over $100 for both. So this microphone is next level. $30, you gonna need to cop. And it's been your boy Matt Games. Be sure to drop a like and subscribe. I'm out. Peace.